Happy Star Wars Day. Yesterday I posted on Patreon if anybody had any ideas for May the 4th. Gustavo Garcia said I should spell Jedi, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. And then Matt Meffy said I should spell R2D2, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea too. And then Dimitri said I should go to space like I did in the London video where I didn't really go. I was like, oh, that's a good idea too. So I'm about to try to do all three in one day. Oh, poor Mousy. The force was not with that one very strongly. Omni Smack for the Superior Foamer and Diego Flores. I have to get back to edit this same day, so this is a no-nonsense run. Thank you for joining the Patreon, gentlemen. No nonsense. Let's get this R2D2 done first. There's our R. Guess where we're taking this? That's right. Oh man, slow walkers up the stairs, but that's okay. Not everybody's super able-bodied. But me, I'm going up the stairs. Escalators take too long. Too long for escalators. Down the hallway to the 2 train. I am deviating from the plan as stated, but that's okay. When they were redoing Borough Hall, I guess they missed the 2-3 platform. Yeah, not so great. It's not too terrible. And that's a 3 train. I need 2. It's not R3D3. Borough Hall 2 train. Looks like there used to be a adjusted route hanging there. 2! With the R2D2 noises. R2. I like how Luke Skywalker calls him R2, like we call the vintage trains R9s. Atlantic, we gotta transfer all the way to Pacific Street though. This one's gonna be rough, because we're going toward Manhattan during rush to the busiest complex in the system, 42nd Street. Let's see what happens and how it works out. Hopefully no shenanigans today on Star Wars Day. Crush loaded. It's not that bad. A lot of people got out at Atlantic Avenue to transfer to something, to somewhere. Hey, there's DeKalb Avenue. We're skipping through the middle track. Ooh, we're going over the Manhattan Bridge. That's right, yay. Oh, I don't get on this side of the Manhattan Bridge very often. Cool. Well, look at it. That's a really speedy speedboat. You know, well, it looks that way when you play at 8x speed anyway. Beautiful day. Beautiful spring day. Oh, look at all those suckers in cars on the FDR. That's not a bad shot of a reflection. Zoom in on the bridge. It could be okay. The bridge supports obviously get in the way a little bit. All right, we're going back underground now. I like the way she said that. Grand Street! Like, it's a Grand Street! This guy with the backpack beside me, he got in at the same time I did. I don't know. He's just sort of standing there. And I'm just sort of standing there, but I'm the one having to move out of the way, and he's actually taking up quite a bit more space than me. See, he's not moving. He's just like, whatever. Squished to the side a little bit. He's not very, shall we say, space conservative. Wow, lots of people piling in. Oh, okay. Oh, nope, okay. Good, let's go. Oh, man, she's getting mad. Stand clear of the closing doors. Somebody else wants to come. Oh, really? Oh, really? Look at, he's trying to get it. Get it. Yeah. And he's waiting for the door to open, even though my dude with the backpack's just standing there with his back turned to him. And he gave up. Ah, well. Oh, whoa. She opened the door, poor guy. He just didn't wait long enough. And more people piling in. My gosh. Just leave already. No. Yeah, you heard me say, come on. Okay. Nope. Oh, didn't even ding that time. Okay, we finally got the doors closed. Y'all don't hold the doors. Seriously. There goes the, I guess the F train or the M train. One or the other. See, I'm having to step out, let people out, and then step back in. See, I am standing in the doorway because I need to get video. This guy's standing in the doorway because I don't know why. Whew, finally. Oh, this way. Up we go. I was finally at the correct end of the platform to transfer. One of the greatest tile installations. Huh. Almost. It says out front. That's not very artistic. I guess they don't show the rest of the art installation. Oh, there's the British Airways wrap. No wacky bullets. Big old waste of plastic. Gotta get in front of the shuttle rush. Yep, people get in a real rush transferring from Grand Central to Times Square on the shuttle. What's going on here? I'm not sure what they're doing there, but whatever. All right, well, downtown trains. It's gonna be a hot minute before the 2 gets here. Gonna take it to Wall Street. We got a 2 train to Flatbush and a 2 train to New Lots. That's cool. We'll just take the one to Flatbush. Not going all the way to Brooklyn again. Everybody out, and everybody in R2D2. Pile in. Oh. Everybody's piled in right behind me. I think they're a group of tourists. A family.
Attention everyone. If you have questions or need to report an issue to the police, the NPA police is located at the station. Transfer is available to the M34 Select Bus Service.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, and Amtrak.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
That was a lot of announcements. It's weird to me how 34th Street
The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
on the 7th Avenue line is still considered part of Penn Station. I guess you could go underground to it. I mean, actually, Penn Station's pretty big, right? It has Long Island Railroad and New Jersey Transit and Amtrak, so yeah, it's fine. Makes sense. Big complex. This is New York, baby. Uh-oh. What?
Ladies and gentlemen, have your attention, please, man. Have your attention. Through the train with brakes at emergency in Brooklyn. The last stop on this 2 train will be Chambers Street. I repeat, the last stop on this 2 train will be Chambers. We're experiencing delays in our southbound 2 and 3 service. The last stop on this number 2 train will be Chambers Street. Please be across the platform for the next southbound or 2 or 3 service. Once again, through the train with brakes at emergency. We experienced delays in the southbound 2 and 3, northbound 2 and 3 service. This is the last stop on this 2 train coming into Chambers Street. Please be across the platform for service into Lower Manhattan and into Brooklyn. This is the last stop, no passengers, please. We apologize for the inconvenience.
I'm sure you do.
Oh, shenanigans on Star Wars Day.
Last stop. Once again, last stop.
That's okay. We're at Chambers Street. I'll just walk east to the J train to start Jedi there instead of at Broad Street. It's not R2D22, it's R2D2.
Yep, I can't take the 2 train again because I already done took it. So there we go.
I was really looking forward to stopping at Wall Street and making fun of the fact that I would be starting the word Jedi in the heart of the Empire, the finance district.
But that joke will have to, it'll have to play not so well. You know what it was. That was going to be the joke.
Never gotten a shot of that before. That's nice. Look at that. New Amsterdam.
It's the Munipals building. Municipal building. Whatever. I don't think I've ever actually looked at this side before. And the tour bus. Here we go. This is why I'm here.
I came to this entrance just so I could say, Svibwe. Svibwe.
Well, let's go into the Spibway and take the J. Omni Smack for Sullivan Wolf and Mark Srower. Thank you for your continuing Patreon sponsorships.
Oh man, it smells like pee down here at Chambers Street.
That's to be expected. Chamber Street vibes, am I right? Remodel when?
Hey, an R143 J train.
Is the
This is a Broad Street bound J train.
is the LCD working? Or LED? Nope, it is not. It is broken. That's unfortunate. Oh well, only taking it one stop. Fulton.
And it's time for another out-of-system transfer, because I don't want to go all the way to Jamaica to transfer to the E, and neither did Gustavo Garcia.
Yeah, he said do the transfer here, so I agree with him. All right, let's turn around and go under the J train to the other side. Oh, there's that fire alarm. Fire alarm door. Oh, so loud. Fulton Mall, come on. Be better. So annoying. All right. Well, anyway, let's exit the system and then re-enter the system for the E train. Gotta walk down the Day Street passage. Do I want to go to the right? Nah, I'm going to go the way I know. OmniSpec M3 KIV. Thank you for your continuing City Ticket Patreon sponsorship. Okay, now we take the E train. Got to take the hidden passage here. It's hard to see, but I'm glad they put it here. And there's, oh, people are running. I gotta run. Running. This is me running in real time. Now this is me running with sped up. Oh, it still says. Oh well.
It still says last stop. I didn't need to run.
That's okay.
Well, that's weird. It's a non-remodeled E-train set. It doesn't have the big empty space at the ends. Not a Cuomo wrap.
Yeah, I thought the E train pretty much only ran the New York wrap R160s. All right, let's get out of here. The MetroCard's retired. This is news. It'll be hilarious if I was riding the R143 and the LCD worked and said you can buy a MetroCard with your credit card, and then that announcement came on and said, "Hello, the MetroCard is retired." I would love to see that.
All right, annoying platform change.
Yeah, West 4th, y'all. Down, around, and down again. And wait. Here we go. JED. That's properly lit. It's a D train. They don't really change the routes. Sometimes they roll them up as a special, so that's good. That's what's coming this Friday is the Yankees specials. All 5 of them. I rode them. So stay tuned for the Friday live stream. Not live stream. Friday premiere. Everybody out. Everybody in. Nope. Nobody came in. Or at least I cut them out if they did. Hey, we're going to race the F train. Are we good? Nope. We got there at the same time. Well, F train got there first. It closed its doors. We are slower than the F. Oh, come on. I guess the R68s can't keep up with R160s. Oh well. 4750, 7th Ave is next. And then 59th Street. I looked at this and I thought maybe their 7th Avenue used to have another thing beside it instead of just 7th Ave, but no, it's just a repair. The tiles fell off to the right of it and they had to replace them.
One more train before we launch into space.
It's a one train. We're going to spell JED1, or, you know, Jedi. There's no I train, so we're just going to take the 1 here.
Somebody's sleeping on that train.
Yeah.
Miss! We gotta get on the train.
Okay, so story there. A lady dropped her sunglasses, didn't see it. I had to yell at her, but I didn't have time to like catch up with her and give her the sunglasses, but she saw them and got the sunglasses off the ground.
50th Street. Tower 1 train, 42nd Street, Times Square. We'll be next. Stand clear to closing doors, please.
So she got the glasses and I got my train and everything kind of worked out okay. Well, that's a heck of a chime. I like it.
52nd Street, Times Square. Transfer to the HCE 237. The NQRW Shuttle to Grand Central.
Okay. This sounds like my G-Train announcer that I did a short on.
local train, 34th Street Penn Station will be next.
Not quite.
Stand clear. The closing doors, please.
This is the only ride where I put the microphone on the speaker.
34th Penn Station connected to Amtrak, Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit.
Back at 34th Street, Penn Station.
28th Street. Southwood train, 23rd Street will be next. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I don't think I need to get all the announcements.
Southwood, 18th Street will be next. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Seeing a silly local.
Southwood, 14th Street will be next. Stand clear. Closing doors, please.
Local 1.
14th Street, transfer to the FLF with a train.
I don't know what he said. He trailed off there.
Southwood local train, Christopher Street will be next. Stand clear. Closing doors, please.
Stand clear. Closing doors, please, huh?
Christopher Street.
Okay, bye to Christopher Street. There goes the 2 train. We left it. It left us.
We're moving shortly.
Ah.
Wait for a single clear ahead of us. Thanks for your patience.
We got stalled.
This is Houston Street.
Houston.
State South Ferry bound 1 train. Canal Street will be next. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Southwood train. Franklin Street will be next.
Respect.
Southwood Chambers Street will be next. Stand clear. Closing doors, please.
Is that pause on purpose, or did you
Chambers
just like forget to say
Transfer
closing
to the
doors?
2 and the 3 train. South Ferry 1 train, World Trade Center next. Stand clear to closing
Ooh,
doors.
next is our stop.
World Trade Center.
Here we go.
Exit to the pass
The
train.
Oculus.
All right, R2D2 and a Jedi spell. Now it's time to launch into space. First, I have to find the control panel. That's crazy. There's a gem here. I didn't know that.
There's an elevator here. Does this elevator smell like pee?
So this is a weird look at the shape of this elevator. Crazy. Smells like cleaning stuff. It's not bad. Doesn't smell super bad. So weird. Why is this elevator shaped like this? I don't know. I gotta say 5 stars just because it's a crazy shape. Why is it a trapezoid? Anyway, here's the Oculus. Bet you didn't know. It's got a control panel.
Yeah, I know why the elevator was that shape, because it needed to be that shape to fit where it was. Because this is a weird building. Or is it a building? Does this elevator smell like pee? It might be a spaceship.
What? This doesn't. Does it go up?
So the mezzanine, there we go. Got it.
Oh yeah, the star is up instead of down because Oculus is under. Here we go. All right. Circle elevator. Everything's a weird shape here. It's held up pretty well for as long as the Oculus has been open. Doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, nice. Got a little glass ceiling, even though it's dirty. All right. 5 stars.
Good job with this upkeep.
All right, the launch button's around here somewhere. Gotta wait for people to stop taking pictures.
You stop taking pictures. Okay.
All right, it's on this side, not on that side. Let's see. It's right. Oh, there it is. It's hidden. See if I can touch it with my foot. Boom. We all go and battle the Empire. They don't even know it. Anyway, leave your car at home. Take the space train. Pew pew.